Hello, my friends. Do you love intricate dies but hate trying to die cut them and add adhesive to the back and try to get adhesive on every little piece? Well, I have a quick tip for you. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to use the Stamps of Life adhesive backing. I'm going to get a piece of cardstock, and let me find a piece of cardstock. We'll grab this one right here. Look at that. We're going to peel this off. And this is a 6 by 6 inch sheet, so we're gonna have extra on this. And I'm gonna lay this down right there. Don't touch where it's sticky. And I'm going to peel this up. Watch this, peel that up. Don't touch right here, that's where it's sticky. And I'm gonna lay this down right there. So I'm gonna cover this whole thing. Now I have some extras here, so I'm gonna just trim that off and trim this off. You can use that anywhere else you want. And just for the sake of today, I'm going to just trim that over just like that to make sure it's not. Now this whole sheet is going to be a sticker. I'm going to lay this down and I'm going to run this through, and look at how intricate this die is. It says happy anniversary. I'm going to lay that down a little bit at an angle so I don't have any speed bumps, and I'm going to run that through. Now this is a very intricate die, so you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to run it back through. Easy peasy. And now I don't have to worry about adding adhesive to the back of this because it already has adhesive on it. So I'm going to peel it up and it's just going to stick because people are watching. So we'll get our, where is our little tool? Oh, we can use this little guy. We can run that through. Now we got that. Look at how intricate this is. This is going to show you how intricate that is. Look at that. Give it a little poke, and we're going to peel off the back of the adhesive backed paper because now the entire thing is a sticker. So we're going to peel this backing off. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. And we're just going to peel it all off. And this one is so intricate. Oh, let's try it over here. Give it an extra second. There we go. And we're going to peel the backing off. Look at this. Look at this. Now, the nice thing about this is all that extra, those extra pieces that we would have had to poke out, most of them are going to come with the trash. So this is all the little extra trash. The white parts are the trash. That's the extra pieces. So I'm kind of weeding it through, and I'm telling you, this one is very intricate. This die is very intricate. This one says happy anniversary. And we're going to peel up all those extra pieces, and we're going to lay this baby down, and you're going to see there is no way I could have added a tape runner to the back of this. We're going to lay this down. And look at how gorgeous that is. Just like that, it's gonna go on that shadow perfectly. Do one letter at a time so you make sure you get it lined up just right, just where you want it. Look at that. We're gonna come over here, and no one is ever gonna believe that you cut that out yourself. And you're like, yeah, I cut it out myself and I glued it down, but there's no way you could have added adhesive to the back of that with a tape runner. Look at that, isn't that fantastic? So the next time you wanna make something really intricate and you know you're not gonna be able to glue it down, grab some Stamps of Life adhesive back paper and you will be on your way. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.